Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 5 habits that are secretly killing your confidence, habits most people don't even realize they're doing. If you want stronger self-esteem, better relationships, and a more powerful mindset, this video is going to help you a lot. Let's jump right into it. Habit 1: Negative self-talk. You can't build confidence while tearing yourself down. Saying things like I'm not good enough, I always fail, or people won't take me seriously becomes a mental habit that destroys your self-belief. Fix it. Replace self-criticism with self-instruction. Say, I'm learning. I can improve. I'm getting better every day. Your words shape your confidence. Habit 2: Comparing yourself to everyone. Social media makes this worse. You see someone's highlight reel and forget that your journey is completely different. Comparison steals joy, motivation, and self-worth. Fix it. Focus on your own path. Track your progress, not someone else's. Habit 3: Overthinking and doubting every decision. Constant overthinking destroys confidence because it trains your brain to assume the worst. Every decision feels risky. Every move feels wrong. Fix it. Give yourself a time limit to decide. Confidence grows when you take action, not when you think endlessly. Habit 4: Avoiding challenges and staying too comfortable. If you never push yourself, you never prove anything to yourself. Challenges build confidence. Avoiding them keeps you insecure. Fix it. Do one small, uncomfortable thing every day. Speak up, try a new skill, or take a new opportunity. Comfort kills confidence. Growth builds it. Habit 5: Surrounding yourself with negative people. If you are around people who criticize everything, gossip, complain, or mock your goals, your confidence will slowly drain. You absorb the energy around you more than you think. Fix it. Spend more time with people who support you, challenge you, and make you feel capable. Your circle affects your self-belief. So those were 5 habits that are silently killing your confidence. The great thing is every single one of them is fixable. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill you build through your daily habits. If you got value from this video, hit like, subscribe for more motivational content, and comment which habit you want to break first. Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.